Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time that we have started the portfolio builder series. uh, to be specific, it was on 23rd of February we started, as you can see here, and it's been nearly 2.5 months, somewhere around 2.5 months. So we have now utilized 85% of our capital. So I thought it's good time to review the performance of the stocks that we hold in our portfolio. And as you can see, if you haven't joined my free Telegram channel, please do so, because that's where I put all the details about the portfolio, when I enter, when I exit. As you can see, there are plenty of things that I have set here before taking the trade itself or adding some stock to the portfolio. I mention here the previous night itself or immediately after taking the trade. As you can see, I've added bank base and closed 20%, with 20% profits, half with 20% and the full part at 35%. So I keep updating on my Telegram channel about the portfolio series. So do check that and then join the Telegram channel to get some live updates. So if you check there, you can see these are the stocks I hold. Okay, there are around I think 17 stocks if I'm right. Okay, 19 out of that, 2 we have covered, so 17 open. So as you can see here, SW Solar and Time Techno, we have booked full profits here. Let me just show you this so that you can see this. I can see here we have covered 50% quantity with 20% profits and another 50% at 35% profits. So that's SW Solar and Time Techno, and I've updated them on the Telegram channel as well. So we have closed these 2 stocks. That was fantastic ones. So regarding the calculation, you can see here the closed portfolio. I have closed SW Solar and Time Techno, and I mentioned the date and price and everything. And when you book, for example, if you book one stock at one stock, half quantity of a stock at 20% and the rest at 35%, it's going to add 1.4% to your overall investment profits. Okay, so that's a 1.4% if you book at these levels. For 5% is 20% and 35%, but for the overall investment that you have, the 100% investment, it's going to add 1.4%. and once you book 50% at 20% profits, it's going to add 0.5% to your overall investment profits. Okay, so that's the calculation. So we have added 2.8% to our investment by booking profits in these 2 stocks. So now currently we hold these many stocks, including the ones that I have bought today, which is SCI and NBCC. And I've also given you here the index performance. When on 23rd of February, when we started our portfolio building exercise, Nifty was at 14,676, and today the closing price is around 14,725. So Nifty has gained around 0.33%, but see here, the portfolio performance is close to 4% gains. So it's like 12x. Okay, it's 12 times more than the Nifty performance or gains. So this is the key thing when you build portfolio with proper assessment and everything. So even though the market is kind of stagnant, you still make money. So just imagine when the market starts going up, for instance, if it goes up by another 2 or 3% by next week, then our portfolio is going to grow as well. So it's very important that you have a portfolio. I would suggest you should have if you have X amount of money to invest and trade, I would say you have to invest or build portfolio for up to like 65 to 70%, and only 30 to 35% should be used for intraday trading, not more than that. What many people do is it's the opposite, or maybe just purely intraday trading, which is actually very bad idea. Okay, you have to have a portfolio, and it's going to take some time, but it's going to give you very good results. Okay, so if you want to know more about portfolio building and the performance and some of the things that you have to take note of, and to understand the power of compounding, which is a very interesting topic, give me a thumbs up there and then subscribe as well, so that I will post your video dedicated only to the understand the concept of power of building and how it can be used uh, for the concept of portfolio as well. Okay, it's going to be very good for you. And yeah, this is the performance at the moment. That's all I wanted to say. Some are in negative, some are in positive, but overall that's what you have to look at the moment. Our portfolio is 1.18% up, but overall our investment has grown by 4%, whereas Nifty has grown by just 0.33%. So what it means is, if you had invested in a Nifty index or Nifty index stocks, you would have gained only 0.33%. Okay, uh, but now with our diversification and with our knowledge of price action and everything, we were able to generate more profits than the index. So that's a fantastic parameter to you know uh, to understand our performance and the healthiness of our portfolio right now. Even though some are in, like, say, minus 10% or minus 15%, I'm really not bothered, because overall it's been really good. And once the market starts picking up, our portfolio is going to grow bigger as well. So this was a very quick update, and as I said, follow me on Telegram to get live updates regarding the portfolio builder, and I'm going to do another series as well once this portfolio is closed. uh, so I hope you like this video, guys. Share with your friends and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you soon.